Replacing propellers. Replace the propellers when they are damaged or deformed. First, make sure the aircraft is powered off. The packaging of the new propellers is labeled with letters A and B, together with their corresponding installation positions. There is a raised mark on propeller A, which should be mounted to motors of the marked arms. Propeller B does not have any mark, which should be mounted to motors of the unmarked arms. Use the screwdriver from the aircraft package. Turn counterclockwise to remove the 2 black screws that secure the propellers. Be sure not to remove the 3 silver screws on the motor. After removing the screws, gently lift up the old propellers to remove them. Make sure not to reuse the old propellers or screws. When installing a new propeller, hold the end with one hand, making sure the DJI logo is facing up. Gently lift the propeller guard and insert the propeller through the gap from below. Meanwhile, use the screwdriver with the other hand to assist in aligning the screw hole of the propeller with the protrusion on the motor. Once aligned, press down on the propeller with the screwdriver a few times to ensure it is properly seated. Attach the new screw on the tip of the screwdriver, then apply force vertically downward to tighten the screw firmly. After installation, gently lift the propellers upwards to ensure they are securely fastened.